Hi everyone! In today's lesson, we learn how to install and configure VS Code and use it to develop in Java. For our lesson, we will need the Java JDK installed and the Gradle build tool bundle. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is an IDE application that we can use to write Java code. VS Code is a multi-language IDE, which means it supports various languages, for instance Python, Go, and Kotlin. So how is VS Code is built? When you install the VS Code, you actually install the IDE with the core functionality, and you can then configure it to any kind of language that you want by installing extensions to it. VS Code also contains features like integration with GitHub, Git, and Copilot. Let's start by downloading VS Code from Microsoft site. If you want to install the application to every user profile on your computer, download the system installer version and save it on your local hard drive. Next, we run the install setup. The setup is easy and straightforward. There is an option to add shortcuts to the application on your desktop, and if this is your only IDE, you can add options to open files and folders directly from your right-click context menu. After opening VS Code, we get our welcome page, and to move from one view to another, you can use activity bar located on the left hand side. To configure the IDE for Java development, we need to install the relevant extensions. Extension Pack for Java is a bundle of extensions. It gives you language support for Java, test and debug Java capabilities, Maven support, and developing assistant like autocomplete. Spring Boot Extension Pack is a bundle of extensions, helps you to develop, edit, and configure Spring Boot applications. Gradle Extension Pack is a bundle of extensions. It gives you language support for Gradle, UI to run Gradle tasks, and developing assistants like autocomplete. Kotlin language extension that gives you language support for Kotlin. XPath and XPath Notebook for Visual Studio Code extensions provides tools to better handle your XML and XSLT files. also provides the ability to test XPath expressions. Checkstyle for Java, extensions to force Java language convention, and real-time check on syntax. To-do tree is an extension to manage your to-do and fix-me tasks that exist in your code. GitHub Repositories and GitHub pull requests and issues lets you quickly browse, search, edit, and commit to any remote GitHub repository, and the ability to submit a pull request directly from VS Code IDE. Azure Repos to browse and edit any Azure repos. GitHub Graph gives the ability to visualize your repository and easily perform Git actions from the graph. If you are using Copilot, the GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat extensions are for you to integrate autocomplete suggestions to your code. The chat is a sidebar that provides conventional AI assistance. Thank you. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye and have a productive day.